Hello everyone, I'm Neha, your happiness coach. Well, today's video is on a topic that quite a few of you have commented and messaged me and asked to talk about this, which is how to remain positive, how we can have a positive mindset all the time so that we can keep working in the right direction. I'm going to give you 4 strong pointers, my dear friends, which can help you keep yourself positive in the negativity surround world that we live in. The very first point is the fear of losing. All of us have this fear of losing somewhere every time, and that keeps hindering our head, that keeps bothering. My dear friends, please understand, if something is meant for us, if something is meant to be with us and be in our life, eventually it will come to you at the right time and when it is destined to be yours. You having the fear, having that stress of losing it or not getting it or waiting anxiously for having it with you is not going to get it to you. So please understand, the day you keep this fear of losing aside, automatically the positivity sets in, and the moment you're positive, you have that peace of mind, things start rolling in the right direction for you. The second point is assumptions. How do we keep ourselves positive? Whenever something happens, we are always constantly assuming in our head, oh, what if this, what if that. Let me give you a small example. Say, for example, you have just texted your spouse something when they are at work. Say whatever, some one-liner asking him or her about something. And if probably in 5 minutes the other side has not replied to you, immediately the assumptions start in the head. Why hasn't he replied? Is he thinking about something? Is he not happy with what I've asked? Are we not worth this? And 1,001 questions in your head immediately. It's just so not worth it. It can just be the fact that the other person is busy, hasn't even seen your message, or many a times these days WhatsApp helps us with the blue tick and all, and immediately we jump to a conclusion saying, oh my god, it's a blue tick, so no, he or she has read it but is still not replying. Why are we assuming? Probably it got touched, they were seeing something else and your message got touched and it got opened and the blue tick came. But maybe they haven't read the message. Or if they have opened it, they've seen it, they are busy, they will come back to it. So even before getting a reply, you have assumed 100 things in your head. That pushes you towards negativity. So you understand the connect? So we have to stop assuming. If you are doing something, let the other person, the other side decide and come back to you with whatever they feel or whatever they want, rather than you just deciding it for them and assuming in your head and pushing yourself towards the negativity. Last and the final point is that whatever in life happens, everything will move on. The good, the bad, the ugly, whatever is happening in your life currently, please understand that everything has an end. So it will get over, it will be done, and then there will be a new start, a new morning and a new beginning. So always keep just repeating this to yourself that I am good, everything is good, and I will make it. That one thing, one mantra, repeating it to yourself every single day will help you keep so positive and will give you so much of positivity that you will not need anything else and you will be a happy person, a smiling person always. Please give a try to all these 3 strong pointers that I have shared, and do share your feedback with me on how they work with you, how they help you, because that keeps me going, that keeps me motivated and makes me feel happy that I'm able to make that difference to that one person's life every time, and nothing is on beyond that happiness. Do subscribe to my channel, my dear friends. I see a lot of you keep seeing my videos but still haven't subscribed to my channel. Do subscribe so that you can be updated on whatever the new videos that I keep releasing. Please give it a thought, give it a try. Until then, it's me, Neha, saying bye.